Hello everyone to another episode of Two Tango by Let's Marry. And today I'm supremely excited because I have Gaurav Prakash ji and Anupma Prakash ji with me, the prominent entrepreneurs of Lucknow with a legacy of 90 years of universal booksellers. And I don't know a single person who doesn't know them in Lucknow. So the powerful couple which we have here is here to motivate us, tell us more about their lives, which can be an inspiration for so many young people around. So welcome Gaurav,
Thank you,
really
Sarojini.
pleasure
Thank
to
you so
have
much.
you here. And I have seen you associated to so many economic forums, social circles, and contributing in so many arenas and touching lives of so many people across all ages and gender and professions. So really it is heartwarming to welcome you at Let's Marry.
Thank you so much.
Really happy to have you. And
Thank
Anupma, you are the backbone. Needless to say that. Needless to say that.
Thank
And you as a powerful couple, wherever I see you both, it's really a big pleasure for me. And I'm honored that Anupma is coming here for her debut podcast today.
absolutely, yes.
Absolutely an honor for us,
Thank you.
Anupma.
Thank you.
I want both of you to introduce yourselves your own way, and then we will come deeper
Yeah,
into
so-
other questions.
Charuji, first of all, thank you so much for having us over. It's an honor and privilege, and it's a great endeavor what you've started, Two to Tango. So we are honored. Yes, about myself. So I am proud to say that I call myself a Lucknow boy.
Yeah.
And why Lucknow boy is that I've been, brought up in such a beautiful city, which has an amalgamation of प्यार, मोहब्बत, संस्कृति, नज़ाकत, नफासत, लोग इतने प्यारे लोग कहाँ मिलते हैं
सही
देखने
बात।
को, experience of elders, which I always say, and such beautiful youngsters around you. It's a beautiful combination, and living in such a romantic city.
Yeah.
बोलते हैं ना नवाबों के शहर,
बिल्कुल।
और नवाब इसलिए नहीं नवाब है, मतलब एक नवाबियत एक टैग है
जी,
about
जी।
attitude,
Ji,
the love towards life.
absolutely.
So yes, I've been a part of this beautiful city.
Yeah.
I'm the third generation in my
Yeah.
family.
Yeah.
Over 90 years,
Yeah.
and we've been serving the city
Yeah.
through our books.
Yeah.
And proud of that. I can say I'm a proud bookseller.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Of our city. And I've done my schooling from Lucknow.
Yes.
From the Martine College,
Yeah.
and then moved on to a beautiful institution of the hills in Nainital, Sheward
Yeah.
College,
Yeah.
where actually I got to know the basics of life,
Yeah.
to live independent,
Yeah.
and then moved back to Lucknow,
Yeah.
to APS,
Yeah.
and then moved on to Lucknow University,
Yeah.
and then got into my family
Yeah.
generation business.
Yeah.
And yes, I'm settled and married to this beautiful girl, a beautiful soul, I would call it.
Really?
And yes, God has been kind,
Absolutely.
and I'm blessed.
एब्सोल्युटली मैं एक बात कहना चाहूँगी कि पूरा लखनऊ जो है वो यूनिवर्सल बुक सेलर्स के वजह से बहुत प्राउड फील करता है.
No, we are honored. We've got the privilege to serve them,
Yes.
and no, nothing better than to serve your own people.
Absolutely, and I don't think so. A single person in Lucknow would have not bought his or her school books from your.
So we have grown up with Lucknow. actually.
Yeah.
The 90 years.
Yes,
It's like
it's
a generation.
you have served generations after
I would call it
generations.
more than 8 to 10 generations have
Absolutely,
gone by.
absolutely.
So I'm proud to say that from my forefathers to
Ji.
my father and my
Ji, ji,
uncle,
ji.
now us. So we have seen it all,
Yeah.
and I think
Yeah.
it's a matter of honor and pride for us. It's a humbling
Absolutely.
effect that we have been
Absolutely.
able to serve the people of Lucknow.
Yeah.
We have grown with the people of
Your brand has become synonymous to Lucknow. It's so well integrated. Every Lucknowite loves. आज भी आपके यूनिवर्सल बुक सेलर्स पे जाके जो फीलिंग आती है ना,
Yes, to buy the
आई एम
pickup,
ऑनेस्टली
yes.
टेलिंग यू वो डिलाइट कहीं और नहीं आता.
I'm proud to say that.
Yeah.
God has been kind. God has
Absolutely.
been kind.
Yeah. So coming to you, Anupma.
Yes.
You are from Muzaffarpur.
Bihar, yes.
And you have been raised in Nainital. You
Yes.
had most of your schooling.
Yes.
And then as a young person, you did your graduation and your higher studies in Delhi.
Yes.
So was Lucknow an option for you to get married? And What made you choose coming to Lucknow?
She never thought about coming to Lucknow.
You know, when
Yeah.
you grow up, your parents want you
Yeah.
to get married, so
Yeah.
they said, "अच्छा, choice बताओ अपना
हाँ,
कहाँ
हाँ.
शादी करनी." So
हाँ.
both my elder sisters,
Correct.
they were married in Delhi, so I
Correct.
took it for granted कि नहीं मेरी भी शादी होएगी तो दिल्ली में होएगी.
हाँ.
So and I said मुझे ना एक सिटी में नहीं करना है, वो है लखनऊ.
अच्छा.
हाँ, मैंने यही बोला था. Anyways, proposal आया.
हाँ.
And first question I asked, I hope the boy is not from Lucknow.
Okay.
They said, no, the boy is from Lucknow.
Okay.
I said, oh my God.
हाँ.
So then my parents said, no, there's no harm in meeting. But when I met Gaurav,
हाँ.
so it just so clicked with him. It was
Wow.
a absolute comfort with him.
It was
at
same
the
for me also.
Yes.
Really?
So, yeah, it was
It's a very
absolutely.
smooth way
हाँ.
of
Yes.
flowing. You know?
हाँ.
Yes.
हाँ. हाँ.
So, you know, when he came
हाँ.
and he entered,
Yeah.
and you know, I was so calm seeing him. So calm. So I got that thing कि ये है sign from God that he's the person for
Should I
me.
tell you something? मैंने एक जगह पढ़ा था कि बुद्धा से पूछा गया था कि जब आप किसी लाइफ पार्टनर को चूज कर रहे हो तो लोगों को लगता है ना कि घंटी बजेगी.
You know,
and
I was
all that.
about to tell you this.
हाँ. तो मुझे ये पता था, मुझे जो मैंने पढ़ा है कि जब आप किसी को देखें और आपका मन शांत हो, खुश हो, that person is your life partner. and आपके केस में exactly वही
You
हुआ
know,
है.
it is exactly the same.
My
Actually,
God.
हम दोनों ने DDLJ काफी देखे.
Yeah. so,
Wow,
yeah.
I'm so happy. I'm so happy to learn that.
Yeah.
So like आपने initially जो है एक resistance रखी थी लखनऊ के लिए. What exactly? Of course, you know, his appearance, his demeanor made you feel peaceful,
Yes,
happy.
yes.
So was that the main factor? और जब इनसे आपने बातचीत की तो
Yeah, I'll
आपको-
tell you about
yeah,
that also.
yeah.
So when we interacted for the first time,
Yeah.
what caught on to us was he's also from the hostel.
Okay.
I'm also from Nainital.
Okay.
St. Mary's, he's
Okay.
from Sherwood, Nainital.
Yeah.
Although we did not meet there,
Yeah.
but then
But people thought we were having a scene in and
yeah, a lot of people thought, even my parents thought that. But
they
yeah.
asked us a question कि were you seeing each other?
After we got engaged, so they asked me, "एक चीज बताओ, were you dating each other?"
Wow.
And I said no, because they were also so shocked that
Yeah.
एकदम से हमारी छोटी सी बेटी कैसे इतनी comfortable हो सकती है एक
Right.
लड़के के साथ,
Right, right,
So yeah, and Gaurav was, that care, that he was very, he was so comfortable to be
Ji,
with.
ji.
So I just thought that yes, he is the right person for me, who's going to make me happy.
Wow.
So
Wow.
that's why I decided that I'm going to get married to him. That's
Very
how,
nice.
And-
Very
and
nice.
It's been over what,
Yeah.
17th, 18th in progress. I keep on
Touch
saying thank you
wood.
every day. Thank you.
Oh,
I know, and very
So
sweet of him,
sweet.
and very
So sweet.
No, and very sweet of him. What he
Huh.
does is he keeps telling mummy, papa,
Huh.
my parents,
हाँ.
thank you for giving me your daughter. That's the cutest thing I think
Absolutely.
a son-in-law can tell the
Absolutely,
parents. And
absolutely.
parents को कितना अच्छा लगता है
कितना
मम्मी
अच्छा
पापा को
लगता
कि कितना your daughter is so loved. What do the parents, what do they want? They
अनुपमा,
just
ये
want.
मैं पहली बार सुन रही हूँ.
Nah,
मैंने किसी का मुंह से ये नहीं सुना कि सन इन लॉ अपने इन लॉज को थैंक यू बोलता हो,
Every-
वाइफ को थैंक यू
No,
बोलता
he
हो.
always
I
does
think मैं
that.
पहली बार सुन रही हूँ.
Nah,
and
he
God, I'm
always-
really proud of you.
No, he
Really proud
always,
of you.
and he genuinely tells them that.
I'm so happy.
Yes.
Gaurav, I have a question. Like a girl coming from Delhi, settling down in Lucknow, and so like between your parents and you, did you, like when she got married and came into your family, did you put in any effort deliberately to make her more comfortable?
So I'll tell you something about Anupma very strong.
Yeah.
It's very uncanny that I got married late. Okay,
Yeah.
I was about 31
Yeah,
and entering 32.
yeah,
And it was I and my grandfather.
Yeah.
We share the same birthday.
okay,
And unfortunately, that was the year where he was, found with the 4th stage cancer.
okay,
And 5th July is my birthday, and 5th July is his birthday.
Yeah.
So when I was born,
Yeah.
it was my mother said your return gift to her father. Your return gift has come. So we share the same birthday
Correct.
between my Nana and me.
correct,
So I went to give a surprise to my Nana ji.
Yeah.
Because he was, low on the front, that
Correct,
not
correct.
feeling good.
correct,
And he's been my hero,
Yeah.
armed forces
Correct.
person, and I was
Correct.
always fond of
Correct.
the uniform.
Correct.
And there was something called, I actually wanted to get into the services.
Yeah.
But that's a story. so I went and I suddenly get a call.
Yeah.
And my friends called me Jeep. GNP, Jeep. So they said, you are here in Delhi and I need to make you see a girl.
Yeah.
And that time, actually, I was not in a frame of mind,
Yeah.
and I had just come for a day
Yeah.
and wearing the most shabbiest clothes.
Yeah.
Trust me, the most dirtiest clothes possible a man can get into Delhi.
Yeah.
And because I thought I'll meet Nanaji and take the flight and come back.
Correct.
But this happened.
Yeah.
So actually, I met her in a very dirty clothes.
Yeah.
In my shoes were unpolished,
Yeah.
my dirty jeans.
Yeah.
And but when I met her,
Yeah.
The beauty about this girl is that she comes from a very traditional background, but she has a very good perspective about modern life.
Absolutely.
And both the culture and modernity coming together is a beautiful blend.
Yes.
And the power of communication. See,
Yeah.
what attracts. See, you come to know the person later on in your life. okay?
Absolutely.
If anybody says, no, I knew the person from day one,
Yeah.
it's a journey to know the person.
Yeah.
So, my communication with her was very with ease.
Yes.
But I didn't have to explain myself too much. And she understood me.
She
as-
understood you.
Understood me. And what I was wanting to communicate to her, she was
Yeah.
very fast to catch on to that part.
Awesome.
And my, I may be and looking like an extrovert person,
Yeah.
but I'm also very traditionally cocoon.
Yeah.
And I have my emotions.
Yeah.
I need my
Yeah.
emotional anchor.
Yeah.
So somewhere along the line, I found my
Yeah.
emotional anchor in her. So I was very blessed with that, and it just flew. And that's why people, in fact, her parents asked me, were you seeing her in Nainital? Because the ease between us was
Yeah.
so strong
Yeah.
that we just flew with our life.
It was so lucid. I think the
Absolutely.
relationship was so free flowing, lucid,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
easy.
And
So
at
that-
that point of time,
Yeah.
I got married in 2008.
Okay.
And that was the time when people used to say, कि यार 32 बहुत
हाँ, उस
बहुत-
जमाने में 32 लेट
बहुत
मानते
बड़ी
थे.
है।
हाँ, बहुत,
बहुत
And in
लेट
my
मानते थे.
family,
हाँ.
Charuji, I must tell you,
हाँ.
in my family, everybody
जी.
practically has got married between 22 to 26.
Yeah, I'm
practically.
sure. I'm sure.
And that time they would say, 32. क्या होगा?
हाँ.
Is he okay?
हाँ.
So I said, yeah, I'm perfectly fine. I'm just waiting for my right choice. So I think I
So,
found my
but
right choice.
I think you were damn lucky.
देर आई but दुरुस्त आई.
दुरुस्त है, बहुत दुरुस्त है. So, talking about you settling down
Yeah.
in a joint family, right?
Yes.
You live with your
Yes,
in-laws.
yes.
So, how was that experience?
I think I'm blessed.
Okay.
I always wanted to be in a joint family.
Okay.
And mummy papa really have made me very comfortable.
Okay.
So the journey, when you
Yeah.
get married, obviously it's a big change. It's
Yeah.
an adjustment.
Yeah.
I was very excited also, although Lucknow was a big
Yeah,
thing.
yeah.
But then everything just fell into a platter for me.
Okay.
Everything, mummy papa made me so comfortable.
Yeah.
There was no, कोई restriction नहीं थी. They were, mummy here is, my mother would scold me, या मम्मी मेरे को कुछ नहीं बोलती थी. बड़े प्यार से सब कुछ समझाया उन्होंने मेरे को. So it's been very smooth sailing for me, and with Gaurav's support always till now.
Yeah.
I lose my, cool also.
Yeah.
Then he's there as a, strong supporter. So touch wood, it's been good.
And
So
I
far,
think
so
even
good, yeah.
raising kids would have been a easier
Yes,
thing
with
because
mummy,
of-
papa, yes. It and see, बच्चे भी देखते हैं दादा दादी को, बहुत चीजें सीखते हैं.
जी.
क्योंकि क्या होता है nuclear families में, there are good things about nuclear families also. But I feel as a person, what I am, I always feel that I wanted a family around me.
Right.
And my children to be blessed with dada dadi, nana nani, so that they know what a bond of family is.
Absolutely, absolutely.
नहीं तो आजकल तो बच्चे फिर फिर in gadgets रहेंगे. Then the family games are not there, family communication is not there. So I didn't want that. So I'm really blessed.
Very
really
happy.
blessed.
From day
Yes.
one, in fact, we both were at one side.
Yeah.
Love. कि we are not going to be living away from our parents.
Yes.
Whether fortunately she came from a background where she understood the value of a family. See, there are girls who
Yeah.
don't want to be living with their in-laws.
मैं इस बारे में आपसे गौरव जी
Yeah.
पूछना चाहती हूँ क्योंकि हमारे पास बहुत सारे पेरेंट्स और बहुत सारे बच्चे ऐसे आते हैं जो ये कहते हैं कि पेरेंट्स के साथ नहीं रहना है, सो हमारी बेटी को नहीं रहना है, या इस तरीके का आजकल समाज में प्रचलन हो रहा है। आपका इसमें क्या कहना है?
मैं तो कहता हूँ they should count their blessings if your parents are there with you.
Yeah.
They are called natural gems with you.
Yes.
God has given you.
Absolutely.
उनके बिना आप जिंदगी कैसे काट सकते हैं?
जी।
और okay, technically if you are professionally forced to move out of
Yes,
your house,
yes.
That's another
that's
thing.
another
no?
situation.
हाँ,
But if God has given you a chance to
हाँ.
be with your parents,
Yes.
and if you are unable to do that, that's, I don't know what should I say to
Yeah.
that aspect of
Yeah.
a particular individual.
Yeah.
But for me,
Yeah.
I want to see my children around my their grandparents.
Absolutely.
Such a beautiful blessings.
Absolutely.
Today, when we have our Nana Nani, I miss them.
जी।
When they are not with us.
Yes.
उनके घर जाना, नाना नानी के घर जाना,
हाँ,
इतना अच्छा
हाँ।
लगता था।
सही बात
तो and I couldn't see my दादाजी.
Right.
Unfortunately passed very early.
Right.
So I have been brought up actually by my amma. My
Right.
dadi was my amma.
Right.
So the kind of stories, and I used to look forward to cuddle into her
Absolutely,
lap,
absolutely.
and I cherish those memories.
Absolutely.
So I want to give the same memories back to my children.
Yeah.
It is so beautiful,
Yeah. That makes us human. That makes us
Yeah,
actually
and-
bonded
absolutely.
with the family.
चारू जी, आप बताइए कोविड के बाद आदमी ने क्या सीखा कि लाइफ इज सो
Unpredictable. Yes.
Things are just flying off, and then they realize how lonely they were alone in those flats.
आप बिल्कुल सही कह रहे हैं। इनफैक्ट लेट्स मैरी का जन्म मैंने कोविड की वजह से ही 2020 में स्टार्ट किया।
Yeah, it's all about companionship.
Because we were trying to serve Indian diaspora where people had lost their spouses due to COVID. वहाँ से ही हमने अपनी जर्नी स्टार्ट की
Yeah.
थी। And then eventually we reached out to everybody,
Yeah.
across. But हमारा भी ऑब्जेक्टिव ये loneliness and जिन लोगों को family bonds की महत्वता है,
हाँ.
हम उसी चीज को प्रमोट करना चाहते हैं कि फैमिली इज द कोर ऑफ द एंटायर सोसाइटी।
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Okay, so चारू जी, when I was growing up,
Yeah.
I was living in a huge joint family.
जी,
We
जी.
had number 8 to 10 brothers and sisters
Yes,
floating
yes,
all around.
yes.
We didn't even realize how we grew up.
Yeah, absolutely.
So, and today, with all the amenities around, we're becoming more and more nucleus.
Absolutely.
And we have a problem staying with 4 people in one house. Come on. And blessings of God. Your parents are your blessings. You should be blessed that they are there with you
मैं
in
आपको
today's
एक और
life.
चीज ऐड करना चाहती हूँ यहाँ पे। जितनी न्यूक्लियर और सिक्योरिटी फैमिलीज हो रही हैं, मैंने आज की तारीख में जितने यंगस्टर्स को थेरेपीज लेते हुए और साइकियाट्रिस्ट के पास
आप ये
जाते
बताइए,
देखा है।
because they
आपके
don't
और
have
हमारे
anything-
जमाने में आपको याद है क्या कि हम
नहीं।
लोग कभी छोटेपन में
Therapies
थेरेपीज
we
lot
didn't need
at all.
because we had a cousin to talk. The
Absolutely.
generation now, they think it's basically हो क्या गया है चारू जी?
हाँ.
This generation which is now coming up,
Yeah.
they just cannot tolerate or take any burden.
Yeah.
I don't understand, and they call it a burden. I'm sorry, you using a wrong word, but
Yes.
they call it a burden.
Yes.
It's a way of life.
Yes.
You have to look after your parents. When you were growing up, they looked after you, right?
कोकून्ड हो गए हैं। अगर चाचा चाची घर में आ जाए और आपको कमरे से निकल के उनके पैर छूने पड़ जा रहे हैं तो that
चारू
has
जी,
become a
हम लोग के
burden.
घर में कजिन आते थे, हम लोग गद्दे लगाते थे।
हाँ,
8-8 10
That
गद्दे
was the
लगते
beauty,
थे
you
और
know,
ड्राइंग
that's
रूम
the
में लगाते
beauty,
थे
बिल्कुल।
और सोते थे। कितना मजा, वो सब
मजा
खत्म हो
आता
गया।
था।
आज की तारीख में कोई अभी एक रिलेटिव बोल दे कि हम आपके घर आ रहे हैं तो पता
हाँ।
नहीं क्या हो जाता है।
हाँ,
I तो we to look forward for
You know,
Correct,
like my
हाँ.
sister-in-law comes,
Yeah.
so her two daughters are there.
Yeah.
So they sleep with Aradhya and Aryan.
Yeah.
It's so much fun. गद्दा
हाँ,
लगा देते हैं, you know.
बहुत
It's like
देखिए, जब
बच्चों
तक-
को बड़ा मजा आता
बहुत
है।
मजा
देखिए,
आता है।
घर म्यूजियम नहीं है।
हाँ,
घर
हाँ,
घर की तरह
घर
होना
घर की
चाहिए।
तरह
घर इज नॉट एन ऑर्नामेंटल डिस्प्ले ऑफ
Correct.
ये खराब हो जाएगा, ये
हाँ, हाँ,
घर
हाँ।
रहने के लिए है।
बिल्कुल
घर में आपका
बिल्कुल।
कंफर्ट लेवल हाई होना चाहिए।
बिल्कुल।
तो लोग ये समझें, एंड वो कंफर्ट लेवल के पिलर्स हैं हमारे एल्डर्स।
जी।
उनके बिना, एंड व्हाई आई सेड स्ट्रांगली यस फॉर हर
Yes.
वाज फ्रॉम डे वन शी सेड कि आई विल लव टू be around elders around you.
जी जी
That
जी
see we also didn't know what marriage was leading us into.
absolutely
And elders become a blessing to you.
Yeah, absolutely.
There's so many moments where
right
I may be hyper
yeah
or where she's hyper.
Yeah.
Who is the balancing factor?
Yeah.
It's our parents.
absolutely
So when there is a, you know, कभी होती है लड़ाई भी, so it's always there.
देखिए
कि mummy is always supporting
अगर
me.
किसी
बहुत अच्छी
किसी
बात है, बहुत
किसी
अच्छी
शादी में
हाँ।
बर्तन खटखट ना हो तो मजा नहीं आता.
नहीं, वो तो हो ही
ठीक है,
नहीं
that's a
सकता.
sign of that you're living.
obvious, you're living, हाँ,
So
हाँ.
जिस शादी में arguments और नोकझोंक ना हो,
जी, जी.
क्या है वो तो
जी.
बेकार जिंदगी है.
जी,
आपको तो and there's nothing called a perfect man.
absolutely
We have to make it
Absolutely.
look perfect.
Absolutely.
We have to be persistent in life.
जी.
We have to respect each other.
जी
And every day
जी
is should be not a stale day.
correct
You
correct
should make that
Yeah.
effort.
Correct.
It's been 17 years, so
Yeah.
I never forget to tease her. I never forget to irritate her.
Yeah.
I never forget to even, be
That's
naughty with
true.
her.
Oh God, you know, he sometimes just gives me a call.
Huh.
And you know, he tells me such silly things. I said, Gaurav, please, I'm not right now in a frame of mind. I'm teaching the kids just hus lo, thoda sa hus lo, you know, the
So
small
sweet.
little, just
So-
a call, you know,
so
it
sweet.
just, yeah,
So
it does.
I believe,
Yeah. Yeah.
Anup also has the same school of thought.
Yeah.
Ki it's not about those big things.
Yeah.
It matters.
Yeah.
But those small things of daily life,
जी.
जो आपको
जी
जो kick देती है life,
जी जी
that should be always kept alive.
Yes.
शादी का ये मतलब नहीं that you take your spouse for granted.
absolutely
In fact, you have to make it more interesting for your spouse. So that love is alive. Your way of life is alive, and someone between two has to be
Yeah.
anchor role of a marriage.
Yeah.
So she plays the anchor, and I'm circling around her. So
so beautiful so beautiful I have a question for you.
Yes.
So, like, as much as I know that you took a back step when it comes to your career because you were into hospitality,
Yes,
you were into
yes.
education,
Yes.
and when you had your own children, you chose to,
Yes.
be a homemaker, be
Yes.
around your children,
Yes.
to upbring them.
Yes, that's my priority.
That is
Yes.
your priority.
Yes.
So, do you have that FOMO of missing out?
Not at all.
Not
at all. When I got married,
Yes.
it was never that mummy papa didn't tell me
Yeah.
कि या गौरव ने मुझे ऑप्शन नहीं दिया. अभी भी कहते हैं गौरव
हाँ.
कि if you want to work, you're
Yeah.
so creative, you
Yeah.
can,
Yeah. Yeah.
कुछ करना है, just let us know,
जी.
we will get it started
Yes.
for you.
And trust me, she's true creative.
Yeah.
Her creative instincts. Sometimes I really, I admire her.
Yeah.
Because when she was saying yes to me,
Huh.
she was into an active world of professionalism teaching,
Yeah.
and she, an educator,
Yeah.
and done her professional IHM.
Yes.
And I never said no for her work. Let me
Yes,
be very honest.
yes.
with you. It was her choice.
Yes.
And I'm amazed that how beautifully she anchored herself, got into a role
Ji.
of a wife
Ji.
and a mother so beautifully,
Ji.
and just came with ease
Yeah.
and settled in.
Yeah.
And पता ही नहीं चला कि शादी कब हुई और कैसे हो गई.
जी.
और we are sitting on the 18th year of our finally
Yeah.
getting adult.
Yeah, finally.
Marriage is getting
I think something very
Yeah.
uncanny
Yeah.
about our life story is
Huh.
that when I met her, it was my birthday,
Okay.
5th of July.
And
Wow.
when
And when she came into my life, it was her birthday.
19th.
In
So I
19th
got
of
married
January.
on, yes.
So
that's the story of us.
No,
Yeah.
there's another story. to
Huh.
it. Is 18th January is our marriage,
Huh.
and 19th is her birthday.
Yes.
And as normal husbands,
Huh.
we get carried away and get confused with dates.
Huh.
So we went to an evening, and there was a friend of ours.
Huh.
I cannot forget that. Yeah.
And it was a payback time from her now.
Yeah.
It was my time to get the throttle from her. So by mistake, I said, no, 18th is her birthday and 19th is her marriage. By mistake. And till today, she says, GP, my worst thing was my birthday gets lost in our anniversary. So she took my happiness by saying, no, GP, it's not 18th and 19th. 18th is our marriage and 19th is my birthday.
No, he never forget it. He's saying, welcome to the married world. Then he realized that he's married.
True.
So yeah, as you were asking, no, I never missed my,
Yeah.
it is not that there's any kind of FOMO
But
that I'm not working.
Do you have any message for youngsters? Because young girls today, they feel that, you know, they will have to sacrifice their careers if they get married, and many of them are not getting married because of this.
So I would like to tell them one thing. See,
Yes.
career is important.
Yeah.
Nowadays, it's
Yeah.
the need of the hour, which
Yeah.
I do not deny.
Yeah.
But simultaneously, marriage is utmost important. I feel a partner is very important because of the loneliness. See, right now you are young.
Yeah.
The girls are young.
Yeah.
They like, हो जाएगा, सब
हाँ,
कुछ हो जाएगा. They're earning well. They feel,
जी.
you know, they can
जी.
do everything. But
जी.
later, after a certain age,
जी.
you do need a companion.
जी.
So my message to the girls are definitely, please get married.
Okay.
And don't be in a hurry to get married, but yes, you must get
I
married.
totally agree with her.
Yes.
You need an
Yeah.
emotional anchor.
You must.
Times are tough. Loneliness is at the highest peak.
Yeah.
Career,
Yeah.
very good.
Yeah.
आज job है, कल job नहीं
जी.
है.
Yeah.
जी.
But what will sail you through
जी.
are your parents around you and your beautiful spouse around you,
Absolutely.
who will make you sail through this life.
Absolutely.
Rest, everything will come and go.
जी जी जी. What is the ideal age for marriage according to you?
See, हम लोग यही आते हैं. Marriage is a mindset.
Correct.
You should only get married, which I believe, when you feel that you can take up a
Yes,
responsibility.
yes.
Yes.
See, you're getting a girl into your life.
Correct.
Okay, it's not that she's a showpiece coming into your life.
Correct.
You keep it somewhere and you forget about it.
Correct.
It's a process.
Yes.
I believe that learning and understanding a spouse
Yeah.
in your life is like another family member coming into your life.
Correct.
And you need to look after that
Correct.
beautiful soul coming into your life.
Correct.
And there's no age for marriage. But people may just say yes at the age of 22.
Yeah.
Today, when you talk about 22 in today's generation, they'll run away.
Yeah.
They'll say, "Who are you going crazy? I'm going to
Yeah.
get married at 22."
Correct.
Where the average age of today's generation, which I personally am seeing, is from 28 to 32,
Yes,
33,
yes.
34, 35.
Yeah.
They don't
Yeah.
want to settle down. In
Yeah.
fact, they are all following the European pattern.
Yeah.
And if you see today, Europe families are dying.
Yeah.
There's nothing new. They don't want to get married. They don't want to produce children.
Yeah.
So that is a very, harsh and a deep signal for all of us
Right.
that you need first a spouse, and then you need a child in your life
Yes.
to
Absolutely.
create a beautiful ecosystem around you.
Correct. Correct.
So
Correct.
it's very important.
Correct.
And my message to all the beautiful young girls and boys, there is no age for you to get settled, but do settle.
Yes.
Find your spouse.
Yeah.
Find your girl who anchors you.
जी.
Don't run after a social pressure to say yes, and do not marry of expectations out of her.
Yes.
Marry that you want to live your life through that, ups and downs.
Correct.
With that image of getting
Correct.
a girl or a boy into your life.
करेक्ट
Yeah.
करेक्ट. अनुपमा, आजकल जो है लड़कियां बहुत घबराती हैं घर के कामों से, बिकॉज आजकल मतलब लोग बाहर काम कर रहे हैं, घर के काम जनरली मेड्स कर रही होती हैं और
Correct.
उनके मदर्स लुक आफ्टर कर रही होती हैं मेड्स को. सो लड़कियों को ये लगता है द मोमेंट दे गेट मैरिड दे विल बी ओवरबर्डन विद द एंटायर हाउस होल्ड चोर्स एज वेल एज the outward their
True.
work life.
Yes,
And
yes.
so what suggestion you have for those girls and the in-laws as well?
So I feel कि you should adapt to the situation.
Yeah.
और पता है क्या होता है, अपने आप होने लगता है.
जी.
When I got married,
जी.
my father-in-law asked me that तुम्हें खाना बनाने आता है बेटा?
हाँ,
Just a general conversation
हाँ.
we were having. I said नहीं पापा.
हाँ.
ठीक है.
ठीक है.
तो my mother got so upset with me कि तुमने क्या बोल दिया?
हाँ बिल्कुल.
I said जो truth है मैंने बोल दिया.
हाँ.
But when you get married
जी.
and when you love your spouse,
Correct.
and he is a person who is very fond of food, and even
Yeah.
if he's not fond of food,
Correct.
वो automatically
हाँ.
एक अंदर से आता है.
हाँ.
वो पुश नहीं करना होता है. So
Correct.
it just so happened so naturally.
Right.
And मैं आपको बताती हूँ, जैसे कहते हैं ना पहला रसोई जो होती है,
हाँ.
मतलब they were so good, मम्मी पापा and Gaurav,
हाँ.
that my servant he chopped the vegetable.
हाँ.
मैंने कुछ नहीं किया. 1000 Island ड्रेसिंग थी, मैंने उसमें मिक्स किया और मैंने थोड़े से सीजनिंग डाले और मैंने वो प्रेजेंट किया.
हाँ.
Oh my God, they were so gaga about it. Wow, तुमने you know, that made me feel कि यार small little things like just mixing is making them so happy. So why not do something, you know?
So
in the-
sweet.
So you
So
know,
sweet.
and it just felt so naturally. कुछ नहीं था उसमें.
जी जी.
कुछ भी नहीं था. There was no problem.
जी.
And I think the girls वो खुद ब खुद adapt कर लेंगी
जी.
to the
जी.
situation.
जी.
So there is, I think there shouldn't be a burden about taking care of the house or the kitchen girls. So just go for it. Yeah. So it's yeah.
So Gaurav, you are wearing so many hats and आप इतने सारे roles play कर रहे हैं. Socially you are so active and being a father, being a son, entrepreneur, आप जिसमें अपना enterprise पूरा देखते हैं. बहुत सारे forums पे, economic forums पे हैं आप और बहुत सारी जगहों पे आप जाते हैं और मोटिवेट करते हैं डिफरेंट सेगमेंट्स को. MSME में भी आप कई सारे सेक्टर्स में कंट्रीब्यूट कर रहे हैं. सो इन सारे रोल्स को आप कैसे परफॉर्म कर पाते हैं एंड आपने दोनों ने किस तरीके का एक तालमेल बैठा रखा है जिससे कि आप लोग एक बहुत क्वालिटी लाइफ घर में भी और बाहर भी बिता पा रहे हैं?
See, my strength comes from my family.
Yes.
And my family is made of my parents, my beautiful wife, and my children.
Yeah.
And that plays a very strong anchor role. And when you have such beautiful confidence in your life, my spouse is the biggest confidant where I can talk to her or anything. She understands me, like before I said. She has the same body language, same instincts, same mindsets,
Yeah.
Which I come from.
Yeah.
So she understands that part that what Gaurav wants,
Yeah.
what Anupma wants, I understand that. So we are able to merge that part. And if the reason which I am able to move out of my house and perform certain duties and achieve those targets is because of this wonderful girl who allows me to do that.
Yeah.
And because she understands my burning desires.
Yeah.
And she understands that passion in me.
Yeah.
And I love contributing back to my city. She
Correct.
understands, and that takes time.
Yeah.
If anybody who is wanting to do a contributory work towards your own city,
Correct.
it's not that you just go and it's over.
No.
It's a process. It
It's
takes
a
time.
process.
And the time when you have to give that time
Yeah.
is the time when you are taking time out from her. So
I was coming to that.
so she understands that, okay, that's also
Yeah.
very important for
Yeah.
Gaurav. She
Yeah.
balances that out.
Yeah.
She becomes an anchor at home.
Yeah.
And looks after my
Correct.
children.
Correct.
Our children.
Correct.
And in fact, my mother and she are like best of friends. They move together. They have, their own
Their
afternoons
gossiping
together.
session
They gossip
against the sun
together.
also.
So at the end of the day, a man wants a combination
Yeah.
of elders, spouse, and children coming together,
Correct.
and that gives enough energy
Yeah.
for a man to move forward.
Correct.
So I'm
correct.
happy that, and it's not that I've told her to do this. No,
Yes.
she. I would call it a free bird.
Yeah.
To fly, she has got her own wings to fly.
Yeah.
She chooses what she wants to do. It's been
Correct.
18 years. I dare tell her that you have to do this.
Yeah.
And she understands by my way of communication. And something, Charuji, we always forget
Yeah.
the power of communication.
Correct.
That's the
what
utmost. That's the
keeps-
key. Yes.
What is expected out of you,
Yes.
and what you're supposed to do. If you're not being able to communicate,
Yeah.
there has to be, there will be a problem.
Yes.
So if that ease of talking is
Yeah.
not there,
Yeah.
then no matter what you do,
Yeah.
it'll collapse.
Yes,
You know,
absolutely.
what I've been wanting out of Anupma, or what Anupma wants out of me,
Huh.
it's not that expectations. It's just a normal way of living together,
Yes,
right?
yeah. Yes.
And if that is not well communicated,
Yeah.
nothing is successful.
Yes.
So communication holds for even a woman.
Yeah.
If she's unable to communicate,
Correct.
that's not a problem of a man.
Yeah.
If the man misinterprets, which normally happens
Yes.
in most of the marriage,
Yes. Yes.
when a woman says you don't understand my emotions.
Huh.
So till date I'm trying to understand all her emotions.
Correct,
So
correct.
so I give in very easily,
Yes.
and I decide that there has to be one boss. There
Yes.
cannot be too many bosses around.
Correct,
So I enter the house. I could be the boss outside,
Yeah.
but when I enter, I'm PRO to Anupma ji.
Wonderful, wonderful.
yeah.
That's wonderful. So, Anupma, do you have any message for young girls who are likely to get married?
Yes, absolutely. You must, girls, you must get married. And marriage, you should not just look for a person who loves you, but you should look for a person who can respect you. And marriage is a teamwork, so it
Yeah.
goes hand in hand like ours does, Yes, that's my message for the girls.
Wonderful.
Yes.
So, at last,
there's nothing called a solo show.
yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
वो बोलते हैं ना एक बहुत अच्छी लाइंस है
हाँ.
मैंने बॉर्डर फिल्म में देखी थी
जी.
दो इट्स अ रॉन्ग पर्सपेक्टिव
जी.
दैट यू स्लीपिंग विद द एनिमी बट द फैक्ट इज वो अगर मैं हूँ तो क्या मैं हूँ अगर तुम हो तो क्या तुम हो
हाँ.
आओ तुम बन जाए तुम मैं बन जाए और फिर हम दुनिया को दिखाए कि हम क्या है
Absolutely.
Yeah,
Very
yeah.
true,
So
very
true.
true. I think दुनिया देख चुकी है आपके केस में, and the beautiful glow you have on your faces is because of that strength and love togetherness. Of course, you both are very beautiful people, but वो जो glow आप लोगों का दिखता है एक साथ, I think it is that solidarity together
Thank
which
you.
really
Yeah.
glows on your
So
face.
it's never about बोलते हैं ना to a successful man there's a woman behind
Yes.
you but for a successful marriage there are constant those small
Yeah.
daily efforts
Yes.
what you put into that marriage which people take it for granted
Absolutely.
so that should not be there.
Absolutely. And communication is the key.
It is because conflicts don't happen in a marriage because of big problem.
Yeah.
It is only communication gap.
Yeah.
When you don't tell your feeling to your spouse,
Yeah.
how will he understand? So I feel communication has to be very, very strong between each other. Yes. Because that's the cause which leads to, a lot of not good things in marriage.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. So I have some questions for you both. How were you as a newlywed vis-a-vis how you are now? Is there a difference?
Not really. What I was then, I'm still the same.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's wonderful.
Yes.
One belief you had 30 years when you were in your 30s, and that belief has it changed regarding marriage for good? Any changes in that?
No,
Any belief you had about marriage?
No, my belief systems were very nice. I always wanted a girl who I could talk to,
Yes.
communicate with.
Yes.
And, look into her eyes and, my biggest issue was communication
Okay.
and the power to understand me because I come from a very different kind of a setup,
Yeah.
I am reserved yet
Yeah.
outgoing.
Yeah.
So this reserved part about me is very close to me.
Ambivert.
Yeah. So, and I want that world to be understood by that woman who I want to say yes to.
Correct.
When I found her, and she
Yeah.
understood my inner world more than the outer world. So that was a trigger point for me when, and till today, I think my belief systems have not changed. When you look after your inner cora,
Yeah.
what you are made of,
Yeah.
and when your spouse is able to understand what the inner cora is,
Yeah.
I think that's the place where you should just flow with.
Wonderful, wonderful. So both of you in this regard are just the same as you were. So Anupma, I have this question for
Yes.
you. So if there were disagreements in the early stage of marriage, vis-a-vis now,
Yeah.
if there are disagreements, has there been a change in your handling the disagreements?
With disagreements, yes.
Definitely,
yes.
she's become very patient with me.
Okay.
And her pillow throwing has stopped.
Earlier जैसे होता था,
हाँ.
अब we were young, so
हाँ.
hyperness होती
हाँ,
थी.
हाँ.
Now over a period of time, yes, definitely it's settled and more patient with each other.
You are
and
more
yes.
mellowed and
Yes,
understand.
yes.
Okay.
So we don't play the blame game,
Yeah.
We play the emotional game now. So it's like
That's
that.
something to be learned.
See,
yes.
you know what happens is,
If I say, Gaurav, you're wrong, so then, I'm putting him directly down. So I just say, I wish you could have told me like this. So, it's the emotional blame game that I'm doing. So, yeah.
no.
Yeah, you say something.
It's very simple. We see a movie
Yeah.
and we see, wow, glamour.
Yeah.
That glamour goes out of the window
Yeah.
as soon as you're back home.
Yeah.
When you're at home, you're real.
Yeah.
That's the
like I said
reality. Yes.
पहले मैंने बोला कि we are not living in a museum.
Yeah.
But we are aging with process.
Correct.
We are holding hand to hand in process. We may be having our makeups and our perms and blow dries are for the outside world.
Correct.
But when you come back,
Yeah.
I want to see her in her pajamas.
Correct.
Be herself, how she is.
Yeah.
I don't want a makeup doll at home. No.
Absolutely.
I want her to be the way she is.
Absolutely.
And that's what marriage moves on.
Correct.
And as far as the arguments are concerned, trust me, husbands are always on the receiving end, whether they are right or they are right. They are on the receiving
That's
end.
how it should be.
Yeah, it has to be like that. He has to come back home only.
Yeah, of course, of course, of course.
Yeah.
So coming to you, Gaurav, again. So your way of romancing and expressing your love, has it changed?
Arey, my way of romancing are very weird. On the Valentine's Day, I bought her a kaddu.
He bought me a kaddu.
And I put one flag and said, thank you for
No,
being
no,
the kaddu
no.
of my life.
No, not one flag. He pinned so many notes on that kaddu.
Yes.
It was Valentine's, my
yeah.
first Valentine. I thought he'll give me something. He said, just come out. I said, okay. I said, oh. He said, open this box. I said, it's so
And she thought
heavy.
she
I
thought
said, "It's so
there's
heavy."
something very expensive coming out of
Yeah,
it.
I said, wow, यार ये तो लड़का बड़ा अच्छा है. ठीक है, मैंने खोला. And my first reaction, kaddu. And you know what was the cutest in that? He had pinned such good notes for me. And I still have them in my cupboard. I have just, taped it, So, yeah, so that was the biggest gift for me. These materialistic things do happen, वो तो हो ही जाता है. But then, these small little notes.
Absolutely.
कभी मैं खाना इसको भेजती थी, तो, I used to send a little note with that, So, it just keeps the spark alive in
We
the
kept
marriage,
the old world charm of writing alive
Yes,
to each other.
I still, feel that written note rather than messaging and speaking. I still feel that.
Do you still do that?
Yes, just a small thing that to say I love you also. A note going is, I think, and then he gets a surprise. Oh,
Just
wow.
2 days back, she wrote something. Make sure you have your lunch on time, and put it on that lunch box and
Yeah.
said, make sure you have your lunch on time.
So
Very
yeah,
beautiful.
small little things,
Very
these things
beautiful.
make a lot of difference. Yes.
So, was there a dream when you started your journey together 17 years ago? Vis-a-vis any dream which is now, is there a difference in the dream?
You go first.
No, there's no difference in the dream.
You
It's
still
just
have-
that to be with this man forever.
Yes.
And he's very, what do I say? He's very affectionate, very caring, very loving. So, we always dreamt that we will make a beautiful family together, and that's what we did.
Yeah.
We have God has been very kind on us that we have been blessed with 2 children, Aradhya and Aryan. So, that was my dream, and whatever future holds for us, that we are going to be there with each other, hand in hand, always.
Awesome.
Yes,
Touch
that's
wood.
what.
Touch wood. Very beautiful.
So my amma told my parents told me कि लड़ो, बट कभी पीठ दूसरों की तरफ दिखा के सो मत,
सो मत
कडल
जा।
करके सो दोबारा. So we love our cuddling space together.
This
So
is such a big learning.
Yeah.
Such a big learning.
Yes.
कि लड़ो लेकिन रात में एक दूसरे को पीठ दिखा के नहीं
नहीं
सो,
सो।
रिजॉल्व करके.
बिल्कुल,
And so-
बिल्कुल, yes,
Oh, that's
yes.
so
and
good.
stop sleeping in separate bedrooms,
Yeah.
please. That is not the cure.
So thank you so much, Gaurav, and thank you so much, Anupma.
Thank
for
you.
this.
Really nice.
This
Thank
is
you.
so motivating and so enriching for, I think, millions of people who are likely to get married or are already married, and how effortlessly and lovingly you can make a life together by having good understanding and good communication. That's the message coming from Anupma and Gaurav. And this is about equality, this is about understanding, this is about sharing a life together with utmost sincerity, honesty, and love. So these are the basic principles of life, I think, on which the marriage survives
Yes.
and thrives.
Yes.
So what we have understood today through this entire conversation, that marriage is a dance and it takes two to a tango.